Good morning, students. Today we will start with the second module on selection statements or decision making statements in Python. For that, we will going to start with our first code. We will start with the comment line and write what is the program all about. WAP to check if a non-zero number is positive or negative. For this, first of all, we will take input from the user. That would be a number, a non-zero number. So for that, we will be writing a simple input statement. Enter the number. Right. Now we will think about the testing condition. Here we know that we will not going to enter 0 because in question we are given that we have to enter a non-zero number. So the testing condition will be greater than 0 or less than 0. If a number is greater than 0, then it will obviously be a positive number. And if it is less than 0, then the number will be a negative number. So to apply this concept, if num is greater than 0, we'll always put a colon after this if statement, and then we're going to give the indent of 4 spaces, and then we'll write the print statement as the number is positive. If this condition is not true, then we're going to write the else statement, and there also we'll put colon and the indent of 4 spaces, and then print statement, the number is negative. We'll save this program. By any name, and then we're going to execute or run this module. Enter the number. Let us assume we have put any number. Let us say 97. It is a positive number. We will try to run the program again. So it is asking enter the number. If I'll put a negative number, let's assume I have taken minus 35, and the result comes out to be minus negative. Okay children, let us write another code to execute or implement the concept of if-else. Now our next question is to check if the given number is odd or even. So WAP will be to check if the number is odd or even. So here too the input will be a number. So again int bracket input double quotes, enter a number, colon space can be given over here and there, and then the condition. Here what will be the condition? Now to check whether a number is odd or even, what we have to do is we have to divide the number with 2, and if the remainder of that number comes out to be 0, then the number is an even number. But if the remainder comes out to be non-zero, that is 1, then the number is an odd number. To write this condition, we will be using modulus operator. Modulus operator lets you to find the remainder. So you have already learnt if num modulus 2 means we have divided the number by 2 and got the remainder, that is equals to 0, and but of course we have to put colon and then an indent of 4 spaces, print the number is an even number. What will be the else statement? Else statement again after 4, that will be the number is an odd number. So here again we are done with the program. We will again run the program. First of all we will save it. Save it, and I am saving with the same file name, and we are running it. So enter the number. Let us assume I have input the number as 73, and we know that if we divide it by 2, then it will result the remainder as 1. So the number is an odd number. We'll again run the code and try to find whether the answer for even number is also coming out to be correct or not. 84. So the number is an even number. Now we'll write our third code. I hope the concept of if else is now somewhat clear to you. Now the third question is wrap to find the greater of two numbers. We have to find the greater of two numbers. Here what we have to do is we have to take two numbers from the user and check first number is greater than second or second number is greater than first. So before checking condition we have to take input. So let us assume my first number is A, and then int input enter first number, and then alright, I am simply copying this, which you can easily write also or do it in the same way also, and I have changed my second number as B and made it as second number. So this is done. We have taken the two, input is complete. Now we are going to check if A is greater than B, then put colon. If this condition comes out to be true, then indent and print A is greater than B. If this condition comes out to be false, then that is else. We have to put colon even and print B is greater than A, and we'll save it and run it. We'll enter first number as, let us say, 63, second number as 95, so it comes out to be B is greater than A. We'll test for second combination of numbers. Let us assume first number is 47 and second number is 20 minus 27, and here comes out to be A is greater than B. Hope you must have understood the concept of selection statement and decision making statement using if else only. Thank you.